Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk about Sweetwater's 55-point inspection. Now this is an inspection they claim they do, and they check overall. They have a little card that they put in your case, and guitars over $299 get this. It's not a setup, but it's just checking through, the guitar to make sure everything's kosher. Now here's what it says about it. Okay, so here are the things that they look for. I recently picked up another guitar from the original owner who bought it for his son. His son apparently doesn't want to play the guitar. Thing was like unplayed, and it's another Sweetwater guitar. Here it is. It's a Guild Starfire Jet 90. Really, really cool guitar. I did a review and a sound test of it, and I did have a couple of complaints about it, and one of them wasn't really anything that was wrong with the guitar. I just didn't like this. I don't really care for this rotary switch. But the other complaint was the tuners. The tuners were terrible. When I say the tuners were terrible, I'm not kidding. The tuners were bad. And here are those tuners. A couple were okay. Two of them were super tight. They were super tight. And a couple were just loose and completely sloppy. These were crappy tuners for any guitar near this price range. So I bought these Wilkinson tuners, vintage style tuners. They went right on the guitar and with no modification whatsoever. So how did this happen? If it was inspected, let's look at what they inspect one more time. Obviously, they didn't give a crap about these horrible tuners that were on the guitar. Well, if we look in the Guild case that the Starfire came in, which the owner bought from Sweetwater, we've got, look at this. This certifies that your new instrument has passed Sweetwater's 55-point inspection. I'm not that bored to make this up, but I am sick of companies saying they're going to do something and they don't. It's just ridiculous. So let's see. The first inspector was Alexander T. And the final inspector was Shane, looks like R. So two people. So let's have a look-see here. Check tuning machines and tune to pitch. Hardware check. Tuning machines. So this Alexander T thinks those tuning machines were good. So really, what good is this? This is just, this is useless. Absolutely useless. Because as soon as I tuned this guitar at all, I thought, what is wrong with these tuners? It wasn't like they were a little bit bad. They sucked. They sucked. They were terrible. They were terrible. So if you've had the same experience, if you bought a guitar at Sweetwater and their inspection didn't seem to find issues with something, put it in the comments below. Let other people know. I want to know if this is like just something that slipped through, or does Sweetwater do this all the time? They just look through the guitar and send it, and they don't really give a crap. Because those tuners were so bad, even a knucklehead tuning the guitar for the first time would be like, what on earth? Loose, wobbly, tight. And it says it certifies. This certifies that your new instrument has passed Sweetwater's 55-point inspection, is ready to play. Thank you for your business. You know, a little bit of candy in the box. A little bit of candy in the box doesn't make up for that. I'm a diabetic anyway. Anyway, anybody else have this issue? Put it in the comments below. I'd like to hear about it. If you like my videos at all, please subscribe. You know, and if you want to be notified, you can hit the bell, the like button, anything like that would help me. If you want to. Don't if you don't. If you do, cool. Anyway, till next time, peace out. Okay, so here are the things. Okay, now here are the things that they check off. Check off, like it's in... check off the things that they...